I'm Micah. I'm Maxine. I'm Marva. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna make pizza bagels for lunch.
Yay!
Today our ingredients are bagels, pizza sauce, pepperoni, mozzarella, cheese. Let's get started. First we're gonna put on the pizza sauce. Next we have the cheese. All done. Hold on. Our last is pepperoni. Top of pepperoni. Why don't you do sauce on our pepperoni? If you want to. Yeah. Now, Mama's gonna get the pan ready. Let's put the pizza on the pan.
Right here.
Okay, what it looks like eyes. Yeah, it does. There's so much eyes. I'm touching my pizza.
Scoot it over so you can fit both on there. Scoot it over.
I'm not gonna try any, since I already did. Here, you're touching your pizza. Mommy, I didn't taste any more sauce.
Alrighty.
It's time to eat. Let's get this. Let's get a piece, guys, and let's eat it. Good. Let's eat the pepperoni. Good. So delicious. Yeah, it's delicious. I wish I could eat this. Also,
Micah, is it good?
It's super good, guys. Give a big thumbs up.
Very good.
Give a big thumbs up and see you like this food.
Thanks for watching our video.
Like and subscribe.
Everybody.